a chance for some light snow in portions of Minnesota. So you're going to be feeling it here. It is going to be an uncomfortable change for sure. How about those temperatures? 36 in Minneapolis when you wake up Thursday morning, 36 in Omaha. And notice here across the plains, our temperatures will be in the 20s. So that colder air is now starting to roll back in. A little bit of rain and a ton of wind. It is a really tough, maybe one of the uglier forecasts we've had in a long time in this part of the world.
Yeah, it really is. And we were talking with Tom Nizzle yesterday. This could be what we call a meteorological bomb. You know, where it undergoes this bombogenesis where it has to drop 24 millibars in 24 hours. This may get close, but in any case, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, these lows are kind of going to do this dance and sort of combine into one, but I mean the winds are really going to crank up.
Very interesting, messy setup, so we're going to watch them closely. All right, one area that we are watching is up in Ohio. We're going to talk to personal weather station owner Jeff Blazinski. He's in Dublin, Ohio. This is just outside of the Columbus area where our Mike Bettis hails from. All right, he had to get that in there. All right, well, Jeff, thank you so much for joining us. I assume you're a Bucs fan too, so we'll I guess defer to you for that.
Absolutely. I think it's local law that you have to be, right?
Yeah, that's very true. All right, Jeff, so what do you think about this? You guys are socked in rain right now. You kind of have been all day. It's a little bit dreary out there.
Yeah, it's really surprising. We had a really nice the past couple days, cooler than I think normal, but really amazing how we saw the high clouds come in late last night, kind of cloud the moon off a little bit. And today, just like a switch was thrown, really clouded up really quickly here.
Now, how has your fall been thus far? You guys have been pretty much warmer than average on the whole.
Yeah, a lot of really nice warm weather. Kind of dramatic cold spots as well. I remember we had our first killing frost just a few days ago. I like how the National Weather Service will put out the alert that they're not going to worry about your plants anymore. So we had that alert come out after the killing frost. And then we got really warm again. So a lot of dramatic up and down kind of weather this fall. Certainly unusual, I think.
Now, as far as windstorms, I mean, what are your concerns with this upcoming windstorm that we could have?
Yeah, with such an intense storm coming out of the south, and just watching how the barometric pressure is dropping like a rocket, looks like. Obviously, with those isobars so closely spaced, the expectation for some damaging wind is certainly a possibility. I think, just looking at the graph, even just from this afternoon, really high air pressure. We had a couple shots of cold air over the past couple days. Barometric pressure was much higher than normal, and now we're really dropping like a rock. So I think we're calling for 40-plus mile-an-hour winds. Never fun to have a power outage when it gets cold, for sure.
Yeah, I know. Jeff, we're going to be watching your area very closely. Safe couple of days, hopefully for you. No trees down in your area, so keep an eye out on that weather.
Absolutely.
All right, yeah, so, he's monitoring the pressure. He's right. The pressure's going to drop like a rock. Whether or not it counts as a bomb doesn't matter, because that's going to initiate some very strong winds.
Yep. Down goes the pressure, up goes the wind,
winds,
for sure. And down come the temperatures. Our winter weather expert, Tom Nizzle, is here. It's going to get cold, Tom, but it's not going to get that cold.
No, and there's a few reasons why, and we're going to talk about that.